Imagine you're in front of a puzzling problem that involves splitting a file using a complex delimiter in a way that keeps the delimiters as well. The issue at hand is quite common in text processing scenarios and requires a clever approach to tackle it effectively. The problem demands a solution that not only splits the fields but also retains the delimiters for further processing. The solution to this problem lies in utilizing a specific method available in Python that allows for splitting text based on a regex pattern while preserving the delimiters. By leveraging the re.split function and the itertools.batched function, you can elegantly achieve the desired outcome without resorting to convoluted workarounds. The key is to append an empty string to the list obtained from the split operation, ensuring that each field is paired with its corresponding delimiter. In the provided Python script snippet, the file is read line by line, and each line is split using the regex pattern \s_+. The resulting list is augmented with an empty string, enabling easy pairing using itertools.batched. This approach produces a list of tuples where each field is paired with its matching delimiter. Expanding on the Python code snippet, the output showcases the successful pairing of fields and delimiters, providing a clear representation of the split data. Each tuple encapsulates a field and its respective delimiter, offering a structured format for further processing or analysis. This streamlined method simplifies the task of handling complex delimiters in text parsing scenarios, enhancing efficiency and readability in data manipulation tasks. Summing up, the solution presented offers a concise and effective way to split text based on a regex pattern while retaining the delimiters for each field. By leveraging Python's built-in functions, the process is streamlined and optimized for handling intricate text processing requirements. With this approach, dealing with complex delimiters becomes more manageable and straightforward, facilitating smoother data processing workflows. And that's how you can elegantly handle complex delimiter scenarios in text processing using Python. Remember, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot.